Welcome back to Unwiring Tech, where we explore the incredible world of AI. I'm Ranjana, joined by my co host Amrita. In today's episode, we will be discussing one of the fundamental tools in AI: natural language processing, or NLP.
Ranjana, have you noticed the sudden transformation in use of AI by trained engineers to by common people? How's that even possible for AI tools? For example, ChatGPT, to chat with us just like a human being.
Yes, Amrita. All this is possible because of NLP. NLP is a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers, AI, and language. In simple terms, it enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human languages in a way that's both meaningful and useful.
Exactly. NLP powers applications like ChatGPT, virtual assistants, translation services, and even sentiment analysis. But to really appreciate NLP, it's helpful to look back at how it all started.
Yes, Amrita. And the journey of NLP began in 1950s when pioneers like Alan Turing asked the question, can machines think? Early efforts were rudimentary. Machines could process language, but their understanding was very limited. Over the decades, with advancement in computing power and the development of machine learning, NLP evolved significantly.
And now we have AI systems that can have conversations, translate languages, and even write poetry. It's amazing how far we have come. One of the key milestones was the development of statistical models in the 1990s, which allowed machines to learn from large data sets. Then, the rise of deep learning in the 2010s brought about even more sophisticated models like transformers, which are used in systems like ChatGPT today.
Right, Amrita. And it's very important to understand what is NLP and why it is important. As I said, that this is at the heart of many AI applications that we interact with daily. For instance, Bhashini, a project by the Indian government to bridge the language gap by providing AI-based translation services in multiple Indian languages. This highlights the significant point that NLP has the potential to make technology accessible to everyone, regardless of the language they speak. But it's not just about accessibility. NLP is also playing a major role in more complex areas such as elections.
Rightly said, Ranjana. During elections, NLP is used to analyze large volumes of social media posts, news articles, and public statements to gauge public sentiment and predict outcomes. It is also used in automated fact checking to combat misinformation in social media platforms.
But as NLP presents tremendous opportunity, it is not without challenges, such as NLP fails to ensure diversity, inclusivity, and cultural sensitivity because of the large data sets on which it is trained. They often have inherent biases present in the data. This can lead to issues where AI systems misinterpret or mishandle language, especially when dealing with diverse cultures and languages.
Also, a major issue is NLP models being trained primarily on English data. And when it is used to analyze text in some other language, it struggles to understand the nuances and context, leading to inaccurate translations and responses. This highlights the importance of training NLP models on diverse data sets that represent different languages, dialects, and cultural contexts.
Another challenge is making sure that NLP systems are culturally sensitive. For example, jokes, idioms, or expressions that are common in one culture might not translate well into another. And without proper understanding, an AI might misinterpret or even offend users.
That's truly a great challenge. It's all about creating more inclusive and representative datasets, improving algorithms to better handle diversity, and involving linguists and cultural experts in the development process. There's also a growing push for transparency, where AI developers are more open about the limitations of their models.
Absolutely. The future of NLP is bright, but it requires careful consideration of these challenges to ensure that AI is developed for all.
This has been such an enlightening conversation, Ranjana. It's clear that NLP is a powerful tool, but like all tools, it needs to be used responsibly.
That's right, Amrita. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our lives, it's important to stay informed and engaged with how this technology is evolving. That's all for today's episode. Thank you.